And we're just gonna have a fun cruise down the river. Enjoy the view. And we're getting set up. We are down here at the creek. I already got Brian's boat down there. I'm just setting up a few last minute things to make launching mine easier. Today is day one of having 2 GoPros. So we're gonna see how that works. So we got that. That there. Everything where it needs to go out of the way. Easy to reach. We're gonna play with the table. Good old Cooking with Clams hats joining us. And we're just gonna have a fun cruise down the river. Enjoy the view. So this is the other camera that overheated. Third person, see us. Yeah, it's it's a Hero 10, so it's not new. I think like 12. I don't know. There's some underwater footage. But we're just gonna play with this and see where I like it. You got Geek up there, geeking out. Unlock you. As always, I'm just filming me what I do. What is this?
Why is there aren't more people out here? They're missing out, man.
They're not sobered up yet. Oh yeah, no, the problem is they've not sobered up yet.
We saw a bunch of people with it. Maybe we'll catch up to them.
Yeah. Well, we're doing the long loop, so a lot of people don't like the long loop. Yeah. I would have voted yes to that. Well, next time we'll plan accordingly with proper food. Yeah. Yeah, about 400. I don't want to be on this thing any more than 400. I've played that game. That's a game people lose. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. I see the largemouth sitting right there. Just, yep, that looks fishy. I knew I should have ignored you and brought my fishing rod.
Should have.
No.
Two, so I would have had one too.
I thought about that, and I was like, no.
When I was at the storage last night, I was like, you know what, I'll take the rod just in case. And, you know, I'll put them in the truck. Worst case scenario, I throw them in the cab and don't bring them.
I want you to know, my first instinct was, Geek will have a fishing rod.
First, I literally was thinking, you know what, I'll bring them. And if I decided last minute I don't want to carry them, I'll just throw them back in the cab of the truck.
Yep, or in the van, yeah.
It won't be a big deal. I would leave them in the back of the truck, no problem. Or in the cab of the truck, no problem.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, nobody's gonna steal a fishing rod.
No one's gonna break into a fishing rod. If they do, then fine.
Yeah, insurance buys.
You need a bad fucking bad, bro. I mean,
I hope you learn to fish so you can feed yourself.
yeah, I hope you can at least feed your fucking family now. Or something.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I forgot you get to go under 64.
Huh?
I forget you gotta go under 64.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're already at 64.
Yeah, that's what this is.
Yeah, you're right. That is 64. Oh, you got the big beers.
Yeah, that's what I said. I'm trying not to bring bottles anymore out on the river.
Well, I didn't want to, but I couldn't find cans, and it was 8:15 in the morning. And I was getting ice for the cooler that has only been tested once before.
It's a liquid world.
Oh, this thing's awesome.
Yeah, the Yetis are dope. I mean,
Oh, it's an igloo.
or whatever. Yeah, they're
I'm not.
using the technology now.
I'm not light enough for Yeti.
The patent ran out on that shit. So
Get over here. Shit's falling into the bank.
What?
Debris is falling into the water.
Is that what that was?
Yeah. Hey.
But I want to get out of the rain.
Okay, I mean, you know, if you want to play Battleship, play Battleship.
No, I'm getting out. I'm gonna stay
Yeah.
right here.
Like, I'm looking at what that debris is that fell. See it right there hanging in the trees?
I heard something splash. I was like, what the hell?
That was something out of that dead tree.
I heard it. It was like up there. Wasn't it?
Yeah. So I was like, that looks...
I was kind of like, what the hell was that?
Oh, and here it comes harder.
No. Oh, yep.
Come here. Look. Geek, come here.
That's a good tree right there. Look at the amount of cover this got. I don't see any debris either.
Nope. I see nothing falling. It's a walnut tree.
What's that?
It's a walnut tree. You see the walnuts on it.
Oh yeah, it's a black walnut.
Yep.
It's got a good strong base. This is a good place to take some shelter.
Yep. Shelter from the storm.
Picking up and the wind shifted. Got colder.
Well, it's raining. Geek's hanging out. And it is raining. Lame. It's raining. It's raining on George Washington's birthday. Very lame.
Oh yeah, we were getting more wet under there now, I think.
Oh yeah, it's all but done.
Yeah. That was good. I'm
Yeah.
alright with that.
Good decision. Good break.
I'm in no hurry.
Now I'm cold. Screaming children playing in the mud.
Some kicks in there.
Hello. No scrapey, no scrapey, no scrapey. Oh, is it?
No! Oh, is it?
Yeah, it was like neck deep. I had to hang on to my kayak to get.
Oh, did you go over?
Yeah!
Oh.
I know for sure it's neck deep.
Oh.
My bad. I'll take your word for it.
No.
Brian, go, come on, go test it.
You're the one with the YouTube channel. You go test it.
No, we're not that kind of channel. We're a gear review and adventure channel. We don't do stupid things. Now, if Johnny Knoxville wants to show up, we'll film him doing stupid things. Well, you're gonna laugh. Hey. Hey. Brian, geek. 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 And the only reason I'm doing this is every year I've gone on this trip, you bring too many damn toys with you. And I want to prove a point. Quest had tables like this for $150, $200 something. This I got from mainland China for $19.99. While Japan's version was $19.99. And look at this. Would you like to play cards? Cards, Brian? I'll deal them up. Damn it. I'm looking at myself, look at myself. Well, so far it has rained and sunned and been overcast and been cool and been warm. Pretty much summer in Kentucky. As you can see, we washed all of our mud tire trucks in the creek, making it as muddy as possible. You find the bottom with your face. That's why they don't let us spearfish here. But it is, you know, something to do. And our group meteorologist just informed me it's going to rain again, so come along, enjoy the rain. Well, we've almost got it.
Huh?
We've almost got it.
What do you mean?
We're done.
I know. I was there, so I was waiting.
Yep.
There must be someone on the ramp or something. So I figured they're waiting.
Yeah.